Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Lenovo E2 Pro. To do this, first you'll need to click on the pen button in the top right corner of your robot inside the app, then scroll down and find Remove Device. Click on it and then select Disconnect and Wipe Data. You can also go with disconnect if you like, but that way we just removed our robot from the app. And next thing we can do to confirm that the reset is finished is to press on the home button and pause button at the same time on the robot itself.
Wi-Fi reset.
Hold it for a few seconds and you will hear this prompt that you just heard, probably on the video, and that way you will make sure that the reset is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.